welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be creating a service ticket. So what we want to do is either use our global search or click into our orders grid to isolate the order we need to add this service ticket to. Then we can click into the order and we want to select the order actions button located at the top right of the screen here. And then I'm going to select order actions. On the right hand side, we're going to select add service ticket. And the first thing we want to do here is select our service type. And then below, we'll add the description as to why we're going on site. We'll hit next, book our order. And this is how you create a service ticket in Grasshopper.